Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, battery level, network, and the account that stored your contacts. Enter your Google, iCloud, Samsung, or carrier credentials now so you can access backups. Once signed in, open Contacts or Settings and look for Backups or Restore. This identifies available snapshots. Make sure Sync is enabled so the phone can pull data. If you see multiple accounts, prioritize the one you used when contacts were last complete. Once signed in, trigger the sync or restore process. For Google, open Contacts, right arrow Settings, right arrow Undo Changes or Restore, choose a time frame and apply. For iCloud, enable Contacts in iCloud and wait. If needed, use iCloud. COM to export/import a vCard. If you have a VCF file on the device or SD card, open Contacts, right arrow Import and select that file. Make sure duplicates are consolidated by using merge options. Let the phone finish syncing before moving on. After restore, verify results. Search names, open entries, and inspect numbers and emails. If you see duplicates, use your Contacts app's merge/clean feature or run a duplicate tool. This keeps entries tidy. If contacts are still missing, repeat the restore choosing a different snapshot or import a saved VCF. If that fails, check that the account actually contains the contacts online and contact support for the account or carrier. One key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.